Welcome to my channel. My name is Chan Kwasnyak. Today I want to share with you a painful story, one that speaks deeply to our culture, to love, to respect, and to the struggle we often carry silently. Well, it is the story of a Nuer man named Gatpany. Gatpany was a humble and respectful man, known and loved by many in his village. He had a kind heart, and more than anything, he loved a young woman named Nyayiooni. Their love was pure, strong, and everyone in the village could see it. They were meant for each other. One day, Gatpan decided to marry her. It was time to make her his wife, to honor her and her family in the way Nuer tradition demands, with cattle as dowry. But when Gatpan went to his father to ask for cattle to pay for the dowry, his father refused. He said, "We don't have enough cattle." Yet Gatpan knew they had over 40 cows, more than enough. Imagine that moment. The man who raised you, the one you helped all your life, refusing you the only thing you ever asked for. Gatpan did not fight it. He didn't shout. He just walked away, quietly but broken. He began to think, what will the village say? Will they see me as useless? A man who can't even afford to marry the woman he loves? The shame was too heavy. Gatfan felt humiliated, not just by his father, but by a world that suddenly felt like it had no place for him. In the silence of his pain, he made a decision, one that none of us would ever wish on anyone. He took his AK-47 and walked into the forest. There, under the tree, he wrote one final letter, a message to Nyayiooni. He said, "My love, I failed you not because I don't love you, but because I cannot afford the wedding you deserved. I cannot watch you being taken by another. I don't want to waste your time. That is why I decided to end my life." And then Gatpine pulled the trigger. That was the last day anyone saw him alive. Gatpan's story is painful, but it is also a reminder to speak, to support one another, and to understand the weight of rejection, especially within our own families. In North culture, a man's pride and honor are everything, but when that honor is broken by those closest to us, the pain runs deep. Let us not allow another Gatpine to suffer in silence. Let us be the voice for our brothers, our friends, and even our Father to build a more understanding community. Rest in peace, Gatpine. Your story will not be forgotten. If you found this story meaningful, please like, share, and subscribe. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Let's keep our story alive and protect each other from silent pain. Please do not forget to share it. For more story like this one, I would like you to hit the notification bell. When I upload a new one, you will be the first to get it. See ya.